Hi guys, I'm John from Bat-i-Burrillo Puppet Theatre, and today I'm going to show you how to make these fantastic puppet dogs, which are really simple to make. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's go. So, here's the finished dog. First thing we need is a piece of, well, two pieces of paper. This is for the ears and the nose, and pen and a pencil and a glue stick and a pair of scissors. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is make the dog. Okay, so fold the paper like this, about a third of the way, and then bring the top piece down like this and fold again. Okay, so it's got three parts. Now we're going to add the glue. And then do this, okay, and press it down. Okay, turn it over, fold it in half, press down, okay, and then take the end and fold it to the middle. Turn the whole thing over, and the same on the other side. And now if you look, it's a sort of M shape, and basically that's your puppet. Your fingers go in there, and that's it. Okay, the next thing we have to do is decorate. So get your pen and first draw the eyes. Depending on where you place the eyes, you get different shaped dog, or different shaped dog face. And then the nose. Okay, and now for the ears. Two ears and the tongue. Okay, let's colour in the tongue. And now using a black pen or pencil, colour in the ears. And once that's done, then cut them out. They don't have to be exact. Okay, take your glue, put
tiny bit of glue on the end and attach one ear, and then the other ear, and finally the tongue for the dog. Give him a few little dots, and there's your finished dog. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and have fun.